Hi guys, welcome to Accounting Education channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the accounting basic and the purpose of accounting. In order to understand accounting basic, we'll start with simple example. Let's meet Amanda. Amanda wanted to go for a small business and she decided to sell lemonade. Every day she goes to the market and buys some lemon. Then she makes the juice. Then she goes to the beach and starts selling them. And before the day ends, she sells all of them and come back with some cash. After some time, Amanda started having some questions. Some of Amanda's questions are how much profit she made, how much she has to sell to get a specific profit, and if she can reduce her price by a specific percentage. There will be a lot of similar questions every day and in every business. And here comes the accounting rule. Accounting is like a compass. It will help the business to steer into the right direction. Accounting provides the tools to record the daily transaction, analyze the information, and it gives summarized report for the financial data. Those reports are called financial statements. Let's say we want to answer Amanda's question for how much profit she made. This kind of question can be answered using a report called income statement. Income statement will show how much revenue the business has in period of time and how much cost they incurred, and then what is the result in terms of a profit or loss. Other name for income statement is profit and loss statement or P&L. Now let's go to Amanda and see that each lemon cup costs Amanda $1 and she was selling it for $3. And let's assume that Amanda sold 500 cups. So Amanda income statement will be looking like this. Sales 1,500 and cost is 500, and then Amanda is making profit of 1,000. Second financial statement called balance sheet, which has three main sections: assets, liabilities, and equity. Asset is what company owns. Liabilities is what the company owes to third party, and equity is what belongs to the owners. Example of asset: building, machines, inventory, and cash. An example of liabilities: account payable, loan, and tax. Equity is company remaining money after selling all the assets and paying off all the company liabilities. Balance sheet provides a snapshot of what company owns and owes at a specific point of time. What company owns is the assets, company resources. Those resources were funded either by liabilities or equity, which means all the time assets is equal to liabilities plus equity. Asset equal to liabilities plus equity. This equation called accounting equation, which is the foundation of double entry system. And this equation guarantees the balance sheet is always balanced. Let's go back to Amanda. Amanda, in her first day, she had $500, which she decided she will put it for the business. So this 500 is going to be the business capital. So Amanda balance sheet in her first day will be looking like this. Cash 500, shareholder capital 500. And when we will take the total, we will see that our balance sheet is balanced. Now let's say that Amanda used the $500 to purchase some supplies. So Amanda cash will be 0 and the inventory will be 500. And again, our balance sheet is balanced. As you can notice, total value of asset is still 500 and same as the equity. When Amanda made and sold all the lemon for 1,500, she used all the inventory. So her inventory became 0 and cash 1,500. As you can see now, our totals are not matching and our balance sheet is not balanced. However, we still have one pending information is not yet captured in the balance sheet. Recalling Amanda income statement, she made a profit of 1,000 during this period. This profit will increase the business equity value and it will be captured under return earning. Net income or loss is the link between income statement and balance sheet. And Amanda balance sheet will be looking like this after recording the 1000 under return earning. Looking at the totals, our balance sheet is balanced. Hopefully this video was helpful in explaining the accounting basic. Do you have any specific topic you want me to talk about? Please mention it in your comment.